Phoebe.
Or high steps. Go potty, Phoebe.
I think he likes it more now. What are you doing, buddy? Not yet, no. This is my puppy. No. So this is my puppy. He's first time in the, well, second time in the snow. Thought I'd record this. Come on, bud. Come out. Come on. Let's go. Come on, buddy. You can make it up the hill. Phoebe. You coming, buddy? Let's go, buddy. He got snow on his nose. He got snow on his nose. Okay. Buddy, come here. Here you go, buddy. There you go, buddy. He was licking the snow. She was.
Come on, Phoebe. Come on, Phoebe. Come on, baby. Come on, Phoebe. Come on. Phoebe, come on. Come on, girl.
Aw.
Come on. Get back there. Get back.
Baxter.
Come on. You're going in. Are you going in?
And I think I'm gonna stay out.
Okay, I don't have a food. Come on.
I'll be in a little bit.
Oh, now the darn door is off. Oh, Matt is probably won't come over.
Probably not. Alright, guys, that's about it for this video. I gotta go get the key, then guess what you're doing. Peace out.